Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Ansouris, and I'm going to be teaching you today how to turn on your notifications and how to take out some of these channels from being hidden. So let me talk about it a little bit. First thing you're going to do, you're going to log into your Teams. This is what we're going to be using, and it should look like something like this. Today I happen to be on a 6th grade page, but it depends on your grade. You're going to have either 7th, 8th, 9th, or 10, and it should say right here. So it should say Idea Rumberg, 8th grade, for example. That's if you're in 8th grade. 10th grade if you're in 10th grade. When you get it, when you're going to take a look at here, you're going to see all your classes. So you're going to see all your teachers. If you don't see a teacher, they might be in this little tab that says Hidden Channels. So I'm going to click where it says Hidden Channels, and guess what? I have Mr. Ubani, Mr. Maine, Ms. Jones, and Mr. Diaz. I have 4 of them that are not being shown. So I'm going to click right here where it says Show. And I'm going to do the same thing for the next 2. And I'm going to keep Mr. Diaz hidden because he's only a Rice teacher, so only some students have access to it. I'm just going to keep it there because I don't need it. Only certain kids need that, and so they'll tell them when to click it. Next step I'm going to do is I want to turn on my notifications. So like if Mr. Ubani sends me a message, I want to know that he sent me a message. If Mr. Kimi, Mr. Maine, Ms. Jones, Mr. Segura, if any of the teachers send me a message, I want to know that they sent me a message. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here. Next to Mr. Ubani's name, there's 3 little buttons. And I'm going to click on those 3 little buttons. And I'm going to click where it says Channel Notification. It is the first little thing that pops up. And it even has a little bell on it. I'm going to click on it. And if you notice, it says that his notifications are turned off. That's not what I want. So I'm going to click on the little arrow right here. And what I want is for it to say banner and feed. So I'm going to click banner and feed. And I'm going to finalize this by clicking save. Once I do that, Mr. Ubani sends me a message. It's going to pop up and tell me, hey, Mr. Ubani just sent you a message. I'm going to do the same thing for Ms. Hakimi's. Notice how I'm going on the 3 little buttons. I go here and I click banner and feed. And I click save. I'm going to do the same thing for all of my teachers. Notice how I'm doing Mr. Maine now. I'm going to do Ms. Jones here. Oops. 3 little buttons. Channel notification. And I'm clicking banner and feed. Again, Mr. Segura. Banner and feed. And then don't forget, we have to click save. So once you click save, remember you're going to do the same thing for every single teacher once you have them here. The last thing you're going to do is you're also going to do it for this one that says general. So I'm going to click notifications. I had already done it. So banner and feed, save. The last thing you need to do, guys, so you have already added all your teachers. You added the tab that says generals. You're going to go all the way to your right side, which is over here. You're going to click channel notification, and you're going to do that same thing one more time. Banner and feed. I had already done it, so it's already there. But I'm going to click banner and feed, save. Again, the last step you need to do is go to the right hand side. You got the 3 same little dots. 1, 2, 3 little dots. I'm going to click on the dots. Channel notification. Should not say off. Should say banner and feed. Click, save, and you should be 100%. Now those notifications should look something like this, guys. If you take a look here, whenever you receive a message, you're going to get one of these little boxes like this one. So for example here, this person named Megan, somebody tagged her on a comment and she received the notification saying, hey Megan, you just mentioned in this comment. Once she clicked on it, it'll take you directly to wherever the teacher that mentioned her or whatever that. That's it, guys. So once you've done all these adding notifications or turning on the notifications, you should be 100% set. Again, once your teacher sends you a message, you're going to receive a notification. If I add something, for example, if you have my class and I add a new assignment or I add something to my class, boom, you're going to get a little box that's going to say, hey, Mr. Ansouris just added this, or Mr. Ansouris just mentioned you in a comment, or whatever it is. If your name's involved, it's going to send you a notification so that you are aware of what's happening. All right, guys. Well, have a great day and hope you're enjoying your time at your home.